Welcome to the video of how to start selling online on Meesho. With Meesho, you can now sell more than 700 categories to over 24,000 pin codes across India. By the end of this video, you will understand how to sell your products to over 7 crore customers who are shopping on our platform. To sell on Meesho, you have to follow these 6 steps. First, register as a supplier by creating your account on supplier.meesho.com. Remember to enter your complete and updated details while registering. Second, once registered, log in to the Meesho Supplier Panel by visiting supplier.meeshosupply.com. Third, upload high-quality catalog at competitive prices. Fourth, start receiving orders through our reseller network. Fifth, pack and ship the orders within the expected dispatch date. Sixth, receive payments of your completed orders directly in your bank account. Now let's get into the finer details of this process. How do I upload my product catalog? To add products to your online inventory, go to the Catalog Upload section visible on your supplier panel. Make sure to keep high-quality product images ready and all the product details such as price, GST slab, size and color of the product ready while uploading the catalog. Once you submit your catalog, it will go through a quality check and will be made live for the Meesho resellers and buyers to see on the app. It is recommended that you upload at least 5 to 7 catalogs to start getting orders faster. Keeping prices at wholesale rates gives resellers an incentive to add their own margin and share them within their social circles promptly. To stay ahead of the competition, you can always refer to our smart pricing suggestions. If you want to update your product price, you can simply make changes and save. How do I manage orders? Meesho has over 1.3 crore resellers who will boost your business by bringing you orders. These resellers will promote your products in their network, and when an order comes, your task will be to fulfill it as soon as possible to maintain high credibility on the platform. Any delays in dispatching the order beyond the expected dispatch date will result in reduced visibility of your products on the Meesho reseller app, thereby reducing your sales. The Orders section on the Supplier panel will give you an overview of all your orders and their respective current status. Your task is to accept the order and pack it for delivery. Once done, you move the product to ready to ship. A label will be generated that you can download. Paste the shipping label on the package and hand it over to the delivery partner when he comes for pickup. You can track your order using the tracking code given in the shipping label. Shipping, payment collection and RTO charges. Meesho takes care of delivering the product at zero shipping cost to the supplier. There are no charges on RTO, return to origin and COD payment collection. When a customer returns a wrong product to you, please go to the support section of the admin panel. You will then be redirected to a page with a list of common problems that suppliers face. You can click on these topics to resolve your doubts. If your queries are still not solved, you can raise a ticket by clicking here, where you will be asked to share more details regarding the query and a callback number so our agents can get in touch with you. When will I receive payments? The payment for your sale is deposited securely in your bank account on the 15th day from order delivered to the customer. Are there any penalties on Meesho? When you cancel an order, you are charged 2.5% of the product price as penalty for every day from the day you receive the order till the day you cancel the order. Meesho automatically cancels the order on the second day after the expected dispatch date if you don't dispatch it on time. But all of this can be avoided if you dispatch the product within the expected dispatch date. You are now fully equipped to start selling on Meesho. If you have any doubts or queries, please go to the support section of the admin panel. You will then be redirected to a page with a list of common problems that suppliers face. You can click on these topics to resolve your doubts. If your queries are still not solved, you can raise a ticket by clicking here, where you will be asked to share more details regarding the query and a callback number so our agents can get in touch with you. Happy selling with Meesho. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel